welcome back to the podcast. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today, I want to talk about something very simple. I cleaned my kitchen. It may sound like an ordinary task, but it became a meaningful experience. Sometimes, the smallest jobs teach us the biggest lessons. That is exactly what happened to me. This morning, I looked around my kitchen. Everything was a little messy. There were dishes in the sink. The countertop was crowded. A few things were not in their proper place. At first, I thought I will do it later. Then I changed my mind. I decided to start immediately. I filled the sink with warm water. I washed every plate carefully. I cleaned every cup and spoon. Watching the dishes become clean felt satisfying. Next, I wiped the kitchen counter. I removed every little stain. The surface slowly became bright again. Then I arranged the containers. I placed everything where it belonged. I threw away old wrappers. I removed things that I no longer needed. The kitchen slowly looked different. It became clean. It became peaceful. As I continued cleaning, I noticed something interesting. My mind also felt cleaner. The stress I carried started to disappear. I was not only cleaning the kitchen, I was also clearing my thoughts. Many people think cleaning is boring. Sometimes it is. But sometimes it feels relaxing. It gives your mind a chance to slow down. It helps you focus on one simple task. There is something calming about putting things in order. Every clean corner feels like a small achievement. Cleaning also reminds us to appreciate what we have. A kitchen is more than a place to cook. It is where families gather. It is where meals are prepared with love. It is where conversations begin. It is where memories are created. A clean kitchen feels welcoming. It makes cooking more enjoyable. It even encourages healthier eating. When the kitchen is organized, cooking becomes easier. You can't find everything quickly. You waste less time. You waste less food. That is another benefit of staying organized. While cleaning, I found a few forgotten items. Some spices had expired. Some ingredients were almost empty. I realized how important it is to check these things regularly. Small habits make a big difference. Cleaning is not only about appearance. It is also about hygiene. A clean kitchen helps keep food safe. It reduces bad smells. It prevents insects. It creates a healthier environment. Another thing I noticed was gratitude. Not everyone has a comfortable kitchen. Not everyone has enough food. Cleaning reminded me to appreciate the little blessings in my life. Sometimes we focus too much on what we do not have. Instead, we should be thankful for what we already have. After everything was finished, I stepped back and looked at the kitchen looked fresh. The room felt brighter. I smiled without even realizing it. It was a simple moment, but it made me happy. Happiness does not always come from expensive things. Sometimes happiness comes from a clean room. Sometimes it comes from finishing a task. Sometimes it comes from taking care of our home. Our surroundings affect our mood. A clean space often creates a calm mind.